Assalamu alaikum, brothers and sisters. Today I want to talk to you about the beauty and significance of the Islamic calendar. As Muslims, we follow our lunar calendar that is based on the cycles of the moon. This calendar has 12 months, each with its own unique characteristics and importance. Let us start with the first month, Muharram. This month is a sacred month and it marks the beginning of the new year. It's a time for reflection, forgiveness and new beginnings. The second month is Safar. This month also sacred. It's a time for spiritual growth and self-reflection. The third month is significant because it marks the birth of our Lord Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. The fifth month is Jumadul Awwal. This month is a significant. This month is a sacred. It's a time for seeking knowledge and wisdom. The sixth month is Jumadul Sani. This month is a time for increased devotion and worship. The seventh month is Rajab. This month is sacred. It's a time for forgiveness and mercy. The eighth month is Shaban. This month is significant because it marks the holy month Ramzan. The ninth month is Ramadan. This month is significant because this month is the most sacred in the Islamic calendar. As Muslims, we follow our lunar calendar. The tenth month is Shawwal. This month is significant because it marks the Ramadan beginning, Eid al-Fitr celebrations. The 11th month is Dhul Qada. This month is a time for seeking forgiveness and mercy. The 12th month is Dhul Hijjah. This month is significant because it marks the Hajj pilgrimage, Eid al-Adha celebrations. Thank you, may Allah bless us all.